I don't know if we can help him or what. They don't even know for sure what it is, but...
All right, fellas, it's like 4:30. I gotta take Grandpa and go see if we can find an elk. If you want to get those tabs welded on, get the fuel system buttoned up,
Okay.
call it a day.
That'll work. Sounds good.
All right, see you in the morning.
He's out.
Let's go home.
It's the boss. Do we answer? I guess better. Hello.
Hey, so I made it to the top of the driveway, and Hunter's uncle's up here. There's a guy apparently broke down. He's been here all day, I guess, and we haven't seen him. He's got a bad fuel pump or something in a Dodge Dakota.
Oh, Dodge
I
Dakota.
told him, I don't know if we can help him or what. They don't even know for sure what it is, but you want to grab a four-wheeler and drag it to the shop and see what's going on. He would appreciate it, I'm sure.
Okay. Take care of it.
All right.
Night. See ya.
Bye.
Well, guess we got a job to do. Let's get on it.
Well, what are we about to do here?
We've got a Dodge Dakota that broke down. I think it needs a fuel pump. And it's just up the road here. So we're gonna go tow it down and see what we can do here with expert Hunter.
Taking a four-wheeler.
Oh yeah. Dude,
Hop on.
this thing is a beaut. Hey. There it is. This thing is a beauty.
Oh, we're gonna.
We're all gonna die.
Brilliant.
And away we go. I don't even know where it is.
I don't know.
Oh, hey,
It's right there.
There it is. Let's see what we got.
How's it going?
What do we know?
It's not going very good.
Oh man.
You're good.
You guys are really awesome. Yeah,
What's going on with it? Just died?
Yeah, it's the tank. It's definitely the fuel,
Fuel
pump
pump?
in the tank because I got the manual and I spent like all day going through it. So
Brake doesn't sound very good. I thought Jace fixed that.
that really takes the truth.
So good at driving a four-wheeler. All right, what should we hook to?
You just hook it to that bar right there, yep.
Should I just do here? Hold that. Just wrap it like that there.
Yeah, that'll do it. What could go wrong?
Right. You could wheelie the four-wheeler over, you know, hit it too fast.
Don't curse again.
There's multiple things, you know. I mean, that should hold. Should.
What could go wrong with that? Besides it could come off. It'll hold. Perfect. Good.
Perfect. How many miles were you going in this truck?
It's about 800 miles.
Yeah? You're going from Montana or Wyoming?
Well, it's almost Montana and Billings.
Okay.
So it's Worland, so it's right up there by Billings.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, pretty close.
All the way from there to Page, huh?
Yep.
Awesome.
15, 20 miles to the gallon.
All right, this one's pretty straight up here. Just got to take these two bolts off, really. And everything comes right out. Well, this one has a neck that's a little worn, so let's lube that. And we'll get it right out. We'll see what we got.
You excited to get the truck fixed? Getting the truck fixed. Yeah.
Yo. I need one more extension. Paul had one of these Dodge Dakotas.
Yeah.
We actually did this fuel pump replacement in Moab in the dirt.
Oh, great.
And then also there was something else, broken ring gear, axles, something. We'll get her down out of there now. Down far enough. Hey, there is gas in it.
Yeah, there is.
I've ran out before and thought it was a fuel pump.
Yeah.
It has happened.
Hitting.
I know. It will hit all the way down on these. Because it's got a shield right here. It always stops everything. Okay, now we can take fuel lines off. Okay. Now let's see if we can get to the lines and the power. Let's go up just a little bit. Maybe it's got pressure on it. It's going.
No, it's hitting on this. There you are.
Why'd we make that look so hard?
Right?
Alright, now we got clips to pull off. Ow! Did you see that?
Yeah, I see the skin.
Oh, it's just the first layer. We're good. Okay. Alright, feeling buff?
Yep.
And let's just set it on the ground. Alright. Now let's pull this ring off. Get it out. Oh, that's one that's got to take apart. That's fine. I see it in there. Nothing's burned. No wires are burned, so we'll take this housing apart and get the pump out.
I'll just save it.
Hey, look at that.
Here's your, you find a bad part?
Yeah, I got it out right there.
Let's see if it matches.
It better match. There it is. It's too late in the day not to, right?
Exactly. Exactly.
Let's see what we got here.
Oh, wow, you were right.
It is big.
That looks like it. Right there. We'll get her put
No
back
problem.
in. Right there. Save the day. Totally should go in, right?
Should. Yes.
Winner. Okay, let's go put it back in. Just like so. Going. Do you approve? You're quality control here, Hunter. Okay. Let's put it back in.
Be close.
Yeah, it's gonna fit.
That'll work. All right, let's get these hoses on.
Can you see?
No,
You want
just
me to do it?
Braille. Let's see.
What are we, 80%?
Uh-oh, did I turn the key
85.
all the way off? Do you have to have a key?
85% chance.
Let's see your key.
sorry
I
about
turned
that.
it back too far and it
Sorry.
locked.
Oh, sorry about that.
We're hearing noise out there.
Fab Rats.
Any leaking?
There it is. That's what it's supposed to be. Just like it's supposed to.
Yes, sir.
Okay, there it is.
I need to know, I mean, how I can repay you. I mean, later.
Pass it along.
Sure?
Pass it
I
along.
mean, I will.
The next
Definitely
person
will.
you see that needs help,
Oh, I always do.
give them
And I
help.
think that's maybe why
That's
I
how it
was
works.
blessed with it, because every time.
That's how it works.
Yeah,
It is, isn't it?
So,
You guys are
Yeah.
amazing.
You just
Thank
pass it
so
along.
much.
so
Thank you so much.
have a good drive.
I appreciate it, man.
All right.
Thank you. And you stopping, that was so
No,
nice of
no
you, man.
problem.
Need a drink for the road? Yeah. I'll get you one. Hey, you bet. You have a good one.
Yep.
Yeah.
Have a good one too. I'll be thanking the Lord all the way.
Drive safe.
Well, thank you very much.
Okay, we got him out of here. He's heading to Page. He should make it there good, no problems, and I'm glad we could help him out. We're the only ones around in the small area. He was a nice guy, so out he goes.
All right, got back from hunting with Grandpa. He was successful. It was a good outing. We're going to show you some little short clips of some other stuff we got going on besides working on stuff in the shop. So here you go. I don't know if we needed that or not, but we got it. My boys will like making it run probably. So that's an old pump, like a water pump off of for fire truck stuff. Just like an inline pump basically to get the water to go farther for wildland stuff. So we'll make it run. It'll be cool to pump something around with it. I don't know. Pretty cool of them to bring it by. All right, so we're just trying to find, there's a manhole buried right here. And in order to hook my sewer in for my shop, we got to find it, lift it up, all the process. So that's what we're doing. We should put, I can't remember, maybe I already put a ring on this. Yeah. Maybe I got tired of waiting. Waiting on me? It was before you.
Oh, before me.
Yeah. Hey, I did stack rings on it. Son of a bee.
You did.
I forgot about all that. Well, guess call me when you get some parts and we'll dig. All right, morning. We should be in the shop right now, but we're doing honeydews. All of us, because
That's how it works.
that's Michelle's the editor and that's what we're doing.
Fun fact, we live in the house that I grew up in. We bought this house for my parents in 2008 and we've slowly been making improvements to it. I'm super stoked to finally get heating and air conditioning. Really, this house didn't have heating or air conditioning. Has a fireplace and we put a swamp cooler in the summer. Paul loves to do honeydew stuff.
We're getting some heating put in the old house. Been doing a little updating, but I got to run power. So we got to come down the wall, across into the power meter. Sounds simple. If you were an electrician, I'm not.
I'm not claiming that one.
Hunter, are you?
No, I hate electricity.
Where's that sweepy thing? Grab one of those right there.
Sweepy thing.
Yeah.
That's a
All right.
sweepy thing.
Yeah, that's a sweepy thing. So it looks like we need 88.5 inches for our first one.
88.5.
I do know how to cut tubing. Not my first day on that job. We didn't get a screwdriver. We're gonna need one of those.
Screwdriver. Is that Phillips or flat?
Flat will work. You like it?
Yep.
That's good. And that
We'll go.
right up into there, straight across there and into that box. That should be easy enough, right? Right.
Right.
Right. Still a lot of room.
Oh
Holy
my
jeez.
gosh, look at that.
Dude, he's gonna be out of breath when he gets here. Wait and see.
That was really majestic.
That was right, right?
That was really cool.
Majestic. You didn't think an old guy could run? Is that what the deal was?
That's what I heard.
Why are you breathing hard?
Because I'm a fat guy.
Okay.
Okay.
Grab the drill bit and all that stuff.
Now I just got to feed a pipe on it.
Yeah. Pull it a little. Michelle said I never worked on the house either.
Hey, there's proof right here.
Video evidence. I got my portion of this handled. It's over to the box. Richard's gonna come, but he'll come and we'll help him get it in the box when he shows up.
The next day.
Let's wander up to the house and see what Hunter's doing. And I'll go fix a Scarecrow at the same time. Looking serious. Wiring.
Yeah.
So that one runs, huh?
Yeah, that one's working.
Well, I'll go fix your Scarecrow. I didn't even film it, but the GFI was tripped. Let's go check this Scarecrow out. Come show me what it does. It works. The Scarecrow works. Big Scarecrow. Try me.
Your time has come.
That's pretty sweet. Pretty sweet.
He's big. He's a big.
That is a big Scarecrow.
Oh yeah.
So, just to let you guys know, we've got a special project coming up. It's called Operation Yellow Submarine.
You guys aren't gonna want to miss this.
It's pretty good.
This is awesome.
I may even break the Toyota doing it.
Yeah.
Actually, I did break the Toyota doing it. Don't miss it. And we're headed to SEMA today, tomorrow, and Friday.
Yeah, when you see this video, we're gonna already be there. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Booth number. Apparently there's a lot of booths in this place.
There's a lot of booze.
24395. That's the booth we'll be at. And what will we have with us?
We might have like a golden nugget
Yeah,
thing.
a golden nugget. So,
to see
if
Robbie,
you happen to be at SEMA, stop by, check us out. We'll be there.